In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Nitro for free. So there is currently an offer which will get you 2 weeks of Nitro for free, and I'm gonna show you how you can claim it. So the first thing you need to do is open Discord and go right here where it says Nitro, or you can also see this notification right here at the top of your Discord, which says the days left you have to claim your free trial of Nitro. So you can just click this button right here or go to Nitro and scroll down and you will see this option to try 2 weeks for free. So just click here or here and this window will pop up. You can choose between yearly or monthly. This doesn't matter because you can cancel it at any time. So I'm gonna choose monthly because if you don't cancel it, they will charge you this amount after the trial. So let's choose monthly, then click next and choose a payment method. You can choose the one you like most. In my case, I'm gonna choose card and fill in your information. It's important to note that this is completely free, alright? You just need to cancel it after the 2 weeks or whenever you want, so they won't charge you money. It's important to cancel it because otherwise you will lose money. Now just put your credit card information, click next, and fill your personal information. Once you have done that, you need to click on next again. This will take a few seconds. And now that's it. You need to click this checkbox right here and get Nitro monthly. And that's it. Now you have Nitro completely for free. As you can see, Nitro is activated and now you can enjoy all the perks. And by the way, you can see all the features that Nitro includes right here. The one is in the right is the one we have with the free trial. You can see everything right here by going to your settings and then clicking on Nitro. You can see the whole list of all the features. And then cancel it. I'm gonna show you right now how you can cancel it. This is everything you have with your Nitro. You can check it out yourself. All right, and now to cancel it, you need to go to your user settings. You can see subscription right here. And you can see you can cancel it whenever you want right here. You just click here and continue. I'm not gonna do it because I want to enjoy Nitro for 2 weeks and then after that I'm just gonna cancel it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.